ઓટોમોબાઈલ દુકાન. આપણે એક નવી કાર ખરીદવી છે તો એ માટે કોઈ મોટા શોરૂમમાં જવું પડશે. તો ચાલો. રાજ એક નવી ગાડી ખરીદવા ઈચ્છે છે. એક મોટા શોરૂમમાં તે એક વેપારી સાથે વાતચીત કરે છે.
Good morning, sir. May I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'm looking out for a new car.
We are the authorized dealer for Tata Motors. What's your choice, sir?
I would like to go for an Indica.
Very nice. Tata Motors has recently launched the new Indica Vista. Would you like to have a look at it?
Yeah, sure.
Let me tell you something about the car. This car has 1.3 liters quadrajet diesel engine with 4 cylinders and 5-speed manual transmission. Above all, you get power steering, power windows and a powerful AC.
Looks interesting. What is the fuel tank capacity?
37 liters. You can go up to 20 kilometers in one single liter.
I want Arctic silver color. Is it available?
Definitely, sir. You will get it. Would you like to take a test drive first?
No, it's okay. I've already decided on this model.
Very well, sir. We'll complete the formalities then.
Sure.
The ex-showroom price is 4,99,661 rupees.
What are the payment terms?
Are you willing to take a loan for this one?
Yeah. Which bank are you attached with?
HDFC, sir. It has the lowest interest rate. All you have to do is pay the 1 lakh as the initial payment and the rest is easy installments.
I want minimum 5 years EMI scheme.
Okay, that can be done. For that, you need to complete these formalities.
When will I get the delivery?
Day after tomorrow for sure, sir.
I hope you will complete all the registration process.
Don't you worry, sir. You can trust me. Before I give you the car, everything will be cleared.
Do you need any papers for the loan formalities?
Yes, sir. There is one list. Here.
Okay. Tomorrow I'll give you the check and the other papers. But make sure I get the Arctic silver color.
Definitely, sir. You don't have to worry about anything. Just go for it.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Great day, sir. See you tomorrow as well. Thank you.
કાર ભાડા પટ્ટે. આવો જોઈએ હજી એક વાતચીત. આ મહિલા પોતાના પરિવારની યાત્રા માટે કાર ભાડે પટ્ટે લેવા માંગે છે. આ જ બાબતમાં તે એક એજન્ટથી વાતચીત કરે છે.
Excuse me, do you have Collis on hire?
Yes, madam. When do you want the car?
I want from Tuesday for 7 days.
Where are you taking the car?
I'm planning for a family tour to Goa. I need the car at least for 7 days.
AC or non-AC?
What are the charges for both the types?
AC is 11 rupees per kilometer and non-AC is 8 rupees per kilometer.
Is there a minimum run per day?
We will count 250 kilometers per day, ma'am. Driver charges would be 200 rupees extra.
I want a good car with powerful AC. Last time I hired a car from another agency and my total trip was spoiled. The AC was not working, we had an engine problem in between, and above all, the driver was so arrogant.
Don't you worry, madam. You will not face any problem with us.
Please make sure that you will send toolkit and stepney along with the car.
Sure, madam. Our driver is expert in car maintenance.
Okay, then please send the car on Tuesday at 7 p.m.
Please note down your address, madam. And also give me your mobile number. I'll give you a call once the car leaves the office.
How much is the advance payment?
You can pay me 5,000 rupees now and pay for the fuel on the way. We'll do the final calculations once you're back.
Fine. I will send the check tomorrow morning. Is it okay?
Fine, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you. But please don't forget the date and the time, okay?